Hi students, good morning to all. Today, same topic, sequential series. Already exercise 9.1, 9.2 and 9.3 are completed. Exercise 9.4 is deleted portion in this year. So next, miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise chapter number 9. Okay. Already question number 1 to 6 are completed. So next one, 7th question. Take one book, page number 199. Page number 199. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 9. Question number 7. Question number 7. If f is a function satisfying f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of x for all x comma y belongs to n. For all x comma y belongs to n, that is natural number, such that given information f of 1 is equal to 3 and summation of x equal to 1 to n, f of x is equal to 120. Then find the value of n. And n value, find n value. Okay, right. Listen. Given information, the definitely f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to n. For all x comma y belongs to n. And another information, f of 1 equal to 3 and summation of x equal to 1 to n. F of x is 120. Then find the value of n. Find the value of n. Okay, right. And give a solution. And given information f of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 equal to 3. And another given information f of x plus y. This equation is considered as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Let x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Let x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to x. Consider x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So f of 1 plus 1. X is 1 and y is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 into f of 1. F of 1 into f of 1. So f of 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to f of 1 and already know f of 1 is 3 into again f of 1, so 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So f of 2 is equal to 9. F of 2 is equal to 9. Right. Next, let x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Let us consider x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in equation number 1, which implies same f of 1 plus 2. F of 1 plus 2 is equal to f of 1 into f of 2. F of x value 1 and y value 2. So f of 1 into f of 2. So f of 1 plus 2 is f of 3 equal to f of 1 value is 3 and f of 2 value is 9 is equal to 27. Equal to 27. So f of 3 value is 27. F of 3 is 27. F of 1 is given information and f of 2 and f of 3 is 27. Next, f of 4. Let us consider x equal to 2 and y equal to 2, which implies f of 2 plus 2 is equal to f of 2 into f of 2 is equal to f of 2 plus 3 is 4 is equal to f of 2 answer is 9 and another one f of 2 is 9. So 9 9 81. So f of 4 equal to 81 and so on etc. Okay, and given information f of 1 equal to 3. So f of 1 is considered as first term. So f of 1 is 3 and f of 2 is 9. So 3 comma 9 and f of 3 is 27. F of 3 is 27. F of 4 is 81 and so on etc. GP. Here 3, 9, 27, 81. 3, A is 3 and AR is 9, AR square is 27, AR cube is 81 and so on etc. AR power n minus 1 and so on etc. And another information, summation of x equal 1 to n f of x is equal to 120. 120. And here 3, 9, 9, 27, 81 are in GP, geometric progression. So first element A is equal to 3. First element A equal to 3 and common ratio R equal to 9 by 3 is equal to is also 3. So A is equal to 3 and common ratio is also 3. We have here n value. And here n value. Okay, right. And another information. Yes, summation of x equal 1 to n. X equal to 1 to n f of x is equal to 120. 120. That is f of 1 plus f of 2, f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus and so on etc. f of n is 120. Here f of 1 is 3, f of 2 is 9, f of 3 is 27, f of 4 is 81 and so on etc. f of n. That is sum of n to term of n term of terms are in GP is Sn. Yes, we know that Sn formula. Sn is equal to A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. You know that. So substitute this formula. A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is equal to 120. Here A is 3. A value is 3 and R value is also 3. So 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. Simplify this term, you have answer n value. Okay, so 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 into 120 is 240. 2 into 120 is 240. So 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 240 divided by 3. So 3 power n minus 1 into 240 divided by 3 is 80. 3 power n equal to minus 1. Change right side. So 80 plus 181. So 3 power n equal to 81. 3 power n equal to 81. And 3 power n is equal to 81 is written as third power. 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is also 81. So base equal power is also equal. So that value of n is equal to 4. Value of n equal to 4. Okay? Right, is it? Once again, given information, the find f is a function and the definition f of x was equal f of x into f of x. And another one given f of 1 value 3 and summation x equal 1 to n f of x value is 120. Then find the value of n. So let us take x equal 1 and y equal 1. We have an answer f of 2. And x equal to 1 and y equal to we have f of 3. And x equal to and y equal to we have f of 4. Find f of 2 and f of 3, f of 4 and so on etc. So 3, 9, 27, 81. 3, 9, 27, 81 are in GP, geometric progression. So here first element is 3. Also common ratio is also same. First element plus common ratio is also same 3. Given information summation of x equal 1 to n f of x equal 120. So sum of the n terms of GP formula is A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 equal to answer 120. Here A is 3 and R is also 3. Substitute this value. Simplify this answer n value. So n value is equal to 4. That's all. Okay, next question number 8. The sum of some terms of GP is some terms of GP is 315. Let us call n term. So Sn is equal to 315, whose first term and the common ratio are 5 and 2. Whose first term, that is A is equal to 5 and the common ratio 2 respectively. Find the last term and the number of terms. Find the last term and the number of terms. Okay? Listen. Given information, sum of some terms is equal to 315. Let us consider n terms. So, sum of n term equal to 315. And first term is 5 and common ratio is 2. Find last term. Find last term and number of terms. Okay, number of term means n. Find value of n. Right. And given information, sum of some terms is 315. We know that the sum of n terms formula Sn is equal to a of r over n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So here Sn equal to 315. So 315 is equal to a value is 5, a value is 5, r value is 2, so 2 power n minus 1 divided by r is 2, so 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Right. Simplify this. 315 equal to 5 into 2 power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 5. Here multiple terms. So change the left hand side. So 315 divided by 5. Reciprocal of 5. So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 315 divided by 5. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 63. 63. 315 divided by 5. 350 divided by 5 is 63. So 2 power n minus 1 equals 63. And 2 power n is equal to 63 plus 1 64. 63 plus 1 64. That 2 power n equals 64 is better as 2 power n is equal to 2 power 6. 2 power 6. You know 2 power 5 is 32 and 2 power 6 is 64. So 64 is written as 2 power 6. 2 power 6. Here base is equal. Power also equal. So n value is 6. The number of term is 6. Number of term can be given to base 6. Right. Find the last term. That is the nth term. The last term, 6th term. The last term is 6. The last term is 6. 6th term. Sorry, last term 6th term. Last term is T6. That is 6th term. 6th term. 6th term is written as a r power n minus 1. That is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. A is equal to 5 and r equal to 2. 6 minus 1, 9 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 into 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 5 is 32 is equal to 5 into 32. So 160. 160. So again term is, therefore the number of term is in given GP is 6 and the last term value is value is 160. 160. Okay, very simple sum. The next question number 9. The first term of GP is 1. First term of GP, A is 1. And the sum of the third term and the fifth term is 90. Sum of the third term. So T3 plus fifth term, T5 is equal to 90. This is given information. Find the common ratio of GP. The common ratio of GP. Listen, very simple sum. First term of GP is 1. That is A equal to 1. And sum of the third term and the fifth term is 90. Third term and fifth term is 90. Given sequence GP, so A equal to 1. a equal to 1, this is first term, and t3, term 3 is equal to a r power 2, a r power 3 minus 1. So a is equal to 1, so substitute this value, so r square. So t3 is equal to r square, and t5 is written as a r power 5 minus 1, 4. Here a value is 1, so t5 is also r power 4, and given information t3 plus t5 is 90, that is t3 is r square, so r square plus t5 term 5, fifth term is r power 4 equal to 90, so r power 4 plus r square minus 90 equal to 0. Let's x equal to r square. Substitute this equation. So r power 4 is written as x square plus r square is written as x minus 90 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0 is a quadratic format. So x is equal to formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Factorize formula. Here a is 1 and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 90. Substitute this value. So b is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus or minus root of b square is also 1. Minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into minus 90. This plus 93, 60. 360 divided by 2, 1 is 2. So minus 1 plus or minus root of 361. Root of 361 by 2 equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 361. Root of 361 is 90. 90 square is 361. So square root of 361 is 90 divided by 2. 90 divided by 2. Simplify this. Minus 1 plus or minus 90 by 2. So minus 1 plus 90 by 2 and minus 1 minus 90 by 2. So minus 1 plus 19 by 2 is 18 by 2, 9. 18 by 2. Minus 1 plus 19 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Or minus 1 minus 9 is minus 20 by 2 is minus 10. So x is also r square. So r square is equal to 9 or minus 10. R square equal to 9 or minus 10. So r square equal to 9. Then r equal to plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3. But here minus 10. We have take r square value is minus 10. Then r value is imaginary. R value is imaginary. So only real values only. So r is equal to r square is 9 only is applicable. R square is minus 9 is not possible. The real value function. So r is equal to plus or minus 3. R is equal to plus or minus 3. So therefore the common ratio of the given GP is plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3. Next question number 10. The sum of three number in GP is 56. The sum of three numbers in GP is 56. Given information. If we subtract 1, 7, 21 from this number in that order, we update an arithmetic progression. That is term 1 minus 1 and term 2 minus 7 and term 3 minus 21 is in AP. This is given information. This is arithmetic progression. Listen, question number 10. The sum of three number in GP is 56. sum of three number in GP is 56. That is T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 56. And next second information, we subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers. From these numbers, 1, that is one subtracted from T1, and 2, 7 subtracted from T2, 21 subtracted from T3 is in AP. This number is forming arithmetic progression. Then find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay? Right. Solution. Given from a sum of three number in GP is 56. Let us consider, like, three numbers are. Let us consider three numbers are A, AR square. Let us consider the three numbers are A, AR square. And given information, the sum of the three number in GP is 56. That is A plus AR square is equal to 56. A plus AR square is equal to 56. A is common element, so we take A from the three terms. So A of 1 plus R square is equal to 56. This is equation number 1. So the equation number 1. And second one information, 1, 7, 21 subtracted from these three terms in order is forming AP. That is arithmetic progression. So T1 is A, so A minus 1, and T2 is AR, so AR minus 7, T3 is AR square minus 21. Or a arithmetic progression. These three numbers are a arithmetic progression. You know, arithmetic progression, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T1. That is common difference. Second term minus first term is also equal to third term minus second term. This is common difference. So AR minus 7 minus A minus 1 second term minus first term is equal to AR square minus 21 minus second term AR minus 7. AR minus, that is T2 minus T1 equal T3 minus T2. Right. AR minus 7 minus A plus 1 is equal to AR square minus 21 minus of AR minus 1 is minus AR minus of minus 7 is plus 7. Minus of minus 7 is plus 7. So simplify this. AR minus 7, AR minus A minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 equal to AR square minus AR square minus AR minus 21 plus 7 is minus 40 all to the same side. So AR square here only AR plus AR, here minus AR, but minus 2AR minus 2AR minus AR plus AR can change in minus AR, so minus AR minus 2AR minus A is replaced plus A minus 6 is plus 6, so minus 14 plus 6 is minus 8 equal to 0. So AR square minus 2AR plus B AR square. The three terms A is common, so take A. The three terms, so R square minus 2R plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 8. Equal to 8. Right. A of R square minus 2R plus 1. R square minus 2R plus 1 is equal to 8. This is equation number 2. Here equation number 1 is A of 1 plus R square equal to 56. 56. This equation multiply 7 on both sides. Multiply 7 on both sides. So we have 7a of r square minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 7 and 8 is 56. This equation is considered equation number 2. Okay. So 7a of r square minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 56. Here a of 1 plus r square is equal to 56. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2 or same. Here 1 and 2 right hand side value is also same. Right hand side value is also same. Here 56 and also same value is 56. So left hand side is also equal from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 56. So a of 1 plus r square is equal to 7a of r square minus 2r plus 1. R square minus 2r plus 1. Right. A cancel. Same value. So a cancel. Remaining 1 plus r square equal to 7r square minus 14r plus 7. Plus 7. So simplify this term. 7r square minus r square 6r square minus 14r. Here 1r is converted minus r, so minus 15r minus 15r. Here 7 plus 1 is converted minus 1, so 7 minus 1 is plus 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So 6r square minus 15r plus 6 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. So factor this equation. Factorize 36 and minus 15. Minus 15. Okay. Like factor this equation. 6 and 6 is 36. And the coefficient of r is minus 15. So 12 3s are, take 12 into 3, 12 3s are 36. So minus 12 into minus 3 is 36. So minus 12 minus 8 and these two terms, so minus 15. So divided by 6, so your coefficient of r square is 6, so divided by 6 is equal to minus 2 is also minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Right. So it's written as r minus 2 r minus 2 into 2r minus 1. 2r minus 1 is equal to 0. Factorize this equation. So r minus 2 into 2r minus 1 equal to 0. So r minus 2 equal to 0 and 2r minus 1 equal to 0. So r value is 2 and r value is 1 by 2. R value is 1 by 2. Right. And first element is a and second element is considered a r. Third element is considered a r square. A r square. So r value is 2 and 1 by 2. You know, first equation is a of 1 plus r square equal to 58. So substitute equation number 1. R equal to, substitute this equation. So a of 1 plus 2 square is 4 equal to 58. So a of 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7 is equal to 58. So a is equal to 58 divided by 7. So a equal to 8. Sorry. 8. A equal to 8. Equation 1 is 56, not 58. 56. So 56. So 7 8 are 56. So a is equal to 8. So r equal to 2 equal to 2 and a equal to 8. Then the first three terms, the three terms is a comma ar and ar squared, which implies a is 8. So ar is 8 into 2 16 and ar squared is 8 into 2 squared. 8 into 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So 8 comma 16 comma 32. The required three number is 8, 16 and 32. The required three number is 8, 16 and 32. And another one answer r equal to 1 by 2. R equal to 1 by 2. Substitute this value in equation number 1. So which implies a of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 is equal to 56. Simplify this. A of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is LCM 4. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 56. So A of 7 by 4 equal to 56. Then A is equal to 56 into 4 by 7. 56 into 4 by 7. This cancels 8. So A is equal to 4 into 8 is 32. A is equal to 32. If R equal to 1 by 2, then A is equal to 32. Then the first three terms are A, AR squared, which implies A is equal to 32 and R value is 1 by 2. So 32 into 1 by 2, AR squared is 32 into 1 by 4. So 32 by 2 is 16 and 32 by 4 is 8. So the right number is 32, 16, 8. Same value. Therefore, the other three number is 8, 16, 32. So both are same. So 8, 16, 32 is the third three numbers. Okay, right. Next question, question number 11. A GP consists of an even number of terms. Geometric progression consists of an even number of terms. Even number of terms is considered T2, T4, sum of consists of even number of terms. T2, T4, T6, and so on, etc. The sum of three GP consists of an even number of terms. So we consider even number of terms is T1, T2, T3, T4, and so on, etc. T2n. That is even number of terms. Even terms, not only even terms, even number of terms. So T1, T2, T3, T4, and so on, etc. T2 into n. That is even number of terms. Okay, right. If the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of terms, if the sum of all the terms means this term, that is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus and so on, etc. plus T2n is 5 times the sum of terms occupying all places. 5 times the sum of terms occupying all places. That is 5 into sum of all terms in all term. All term means T1 plus T3 plus T5 plus and so on, etc. plus T2n minus 1. T2n minus 1. 2n is even term. 2n minus 1 is add term. 4 is even term. And before the term, T3 is add term. T2 is even term. And before the term, T1 is add term. Chariya? Okay. Right. Nice. We have done the find its common ratio. We have need common ratio or value. We have need or value. Right. Given is GB and given information, the number of term is even term. Number of term is given term. So T1, T2, T3 and so on etc. T2n. Sum of this term is equal to 5 into sum of the all terms. Sum of the all terms. So that is T1, T3, T5 and so on etc. T2n minus 1. Right. Simplify this. T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus and so on etc. plus T2n minus 5 into T1, T3, T5, that is 5T1 minus 5T1 minus 5T3 minus 5T5 and so on etc. minus 5T2n minus 1, 2n minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. These two all terms convert from left to right to left. This is minus 5T1 minus 5T3 minus 5T5 and so on and so on minus 5Tn minus 1. Here plus T1, here minus 5T1. Add this two terms, so minus 41. Remaining T2 plus T4 plus T6 plus and so on etc. plus T2n. Even terms only. Add term is subtracted from these terms. So minus 5T1 plus T1 is minus 4T1. Minus 5T3 plus T3 is minus 4T3. Minus 5T5 plus T5 is minus 4T5 and so on etc. minus 4T2n minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Right. T2 plus T4 plus T6 plus and so on etc. plus T2n. Minus 4 is common, so take minus 4. So minus 4 of T1 plus T3 plus T5 plus and so on etc. plus T2n minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Right. T2 plus T4 plus T6 plus and so on etc. plus T2n equal to minus 4 of T1 plus T3 plus T5 and so on etc. T2n minus 1. Change it right side. So 4 plus 4 of T1 plus T3 plus and so on etc. plus T2n minus 1. T2n minus 1. Right. T2 plus T4 plus T6 plus and so on etc. T2n. So that is term 2, term 4, term 6 and so on etc. term 2n. Here term 2, term 1, T1 is A, T2 term 2 is AR, T3 term 3 is AR square and so on etc. Nth term. So here T2 is called AR and T4 is AR power 4 minus 1 3 and T6 is AR power 6 minus 1 5 plus and so on etc. plus T2n is AR power 2n minus 1. AR power 2n minus 1 is equal to this right hand side is 4 of T1 is A plus T2 is AR square plus T5 is AR power 4 plus and so on etc. plus T2n minus 1 is AR power 2n minus 2. AR power 2n minus 2. This is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. The first element is AR. First element is AR. So sum of n terms in GP, you know that the formula is A of R power n minus 1. The combinations are same. So A of here A is AR. Left hand side first element is AR. So that is called A. So AR of R power n minus 1. R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to 4 into right hand side is A plus AR square plus AR power 4 and so on etc. The sum of n terms. So here first element is A, so A of R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Divided by R minus 1. So simplify this R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, same R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Cancel this term. Remaining AR is equal to AR is equal to 4A. A is 4 is common. So cancel this term. Remaining R equal to 4. Therefore the 4. Common ratio is 4. So common ratio of given geometric progression is 4. They have the answer R is equal to 4. Right? Listen once again. A question. A GP consists of an even number of terms. Even number of terms. So T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on etc. T2n. 2n is even number of terms. 2 of n is also even. So even number of terms. Right. If the sum of the all term is the sum of the all term is that is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 and so on etc. plus T2n is equal to 5 times of R term of given GP. So sum of all terms of given GP is equal to 5 times of sum of R term, that is T1, T3, T5 plus and so on etc. T2n minus 1 is also equal. This is given information. We have the answer is common ratio R value. So T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus and so on etc. T2n equal to this term. Simplified this T2 plus T4 plus T6 plus T2n is equal to 4 times of T1 plus T3 plus and so on etc. T2n minus 1. Apply this term value T2. Second term is AR. So AR. Fourth term is AR for 3 and so on etc. Substitute this value, simplify this using the formula nth term, sum of n terms of GP is A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 formula. Here first element, left hand side first element is AR, this is first element. So AR of R power n minus 1 by R. By right hand side first element is A, so A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So simplify this AR equal to A, then the value of common ratio R is 4. Okay, right. Okay, next question number 12. Question number 12 is already arithmetic progression method. Already solved this sum. So next question number 13. If A plus Bx, question number 13, A plus Bx divided by A minus Bx equal to B plus Cx divided by B minus Cx equal to C plus Dx divided by C minus Dx. Here x is non-zero value, so x is not equal to 0. Then show that A, B, C and D are in GP. We have to prove A, B, C and D are in GP. That is geometric progression. This is given information. So given. Right. To prove A, B, C and D are in GP, that is geometric progression. This is need to prove. Okay? Right. Prove. Let us given information A plus Bx by A minus Bx equal B plus Cx by B minus Cx. First of all, let's A plus Bx by A minus Bx. First two terms. So B plus Cx by B minus Cx. So simplify this. A plus Bx into B minus Cx. B minus Cx equal to B plus Cx into A minus Bx. A minus Bx. So multiple these two terms. A into B, AB. A into Cx is ACx. B into Bx is B square x. Bx minus Cx is minus BC x square. Minus BC x square is equal to B into A is AB. And B into minus Bx is minus B squared x. Cx into A is ACx. And Cx into minus Bx is minus BC x squared. Minus BC x squared. Right. Here left hand side is minus BC x squared. Right hand side also same minus BC x squared. And AB is cancelled. remaining minus ACX here plus ACX and plus B squared x minus B squared. Change the same side, so B squared x plus B squared x is 2B squared x. 2B squared x is equal to minus ACX minus ACX B squared x and minus B squared x. This minus B squared x in the left side, this minus ACX in the right side. So minus plus 2ACX. Here already ACX and minus ACX already plus ACX. ACX plus ACX is 2ACX. 2ACX. 2 cancel. Remaining B squared x is equal to 2AC and 2 and x is also cancelled. So 2 is cancelled. So remaining B squared is equal to AC. B squared is equal to AC. And this B squared equal to AC is written as B into B. B squared is B into B is equal to AC. Equal to AC. So B by A equal to C by B. B by A is equal to C by B. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, right. Or A by B equal to B by C. A by B is equal to B by C. Okay, right. Next, second one information, B plus Cx divided by B minus Cx is equal to C plus Dx divided by C minus Dx. Simplify these two terms. So simplify B plus Cx into C minus Dx. So B into C is BC. B into minus Dx is minus BDx minus BDx plus Cx into C is C squared x. Cx into minus Dx is minus CDx squared. Minus CDx squared is equal to, and right hand side C plus Dx into B minus Dx. So C into B is CB, that is BC. B into C is BC and Dx into B is plus BDx. Minus Cx into C is minus C squared x. Minus Cx into Dx is minus dCdx squared. Minus CDx squared. Here minus dx squared is minus left hand side. Left hand side at same element. And BC and BC is same. So remaining C squared x, here minus C squared x. Convert in left hand side. So 2C squared x equal to 2BDx. 2BDx. 2x 2x cancel. Remaining C squared is equal to BD. C squared is equal to BD. So C squared equal to BD. This is written as C by D is equal to C by D is equal to B by C. B by C. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Here A by B or B by A. B by A is equal to C by B. Or A by B is equal to B by C. Here C by D is equal to A by C. From 1 and 2, this is equation number 1. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here A by B equal to B by C. A by B is equal to B by C. Here C by D equal to B by C. So from 1 and 2, right hand side is also same. B by C and B by C. So left hand side is also equal. So A by B equal to C by D. A by B is equal to C by D. A is first term, B is second term, C is third term, D is fourth term. So A by B equals C by D. That is T1 by T2 is equal to T3 by T4. So therefore A comma B comma C and D are in GP. Geometric progression. Hence 2. Okay. Once again recall this question. Listen. Given information A plus Bx by A minus Bx equal to B plus Cx by B minus Cx equal to C plus Dx by C minus D. We need to prove A, B, C, D are in GP. Okay? Right. First two, let us consider first two terms. Equal to these two terms. Simplify this. We have the result A by B is equal to B by C. This is equation number 1. And second two terms compare these two terms, simplify this. We have A by B is equal to C by D. Sorry, C by D equal to B by C. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2 are same. Here B by C and also same. Right hand side B by C. So left hand side is also equal. C by D equal to A by B. So A by B equals C by D. Therefore A comma B comma C and D are a geometric proportion. Okay. Right. Next question. Question number 14. Let S be the sum. S be the sum. And P is product. And R is sum of the reciprocal. Sum of the reciprocal of n terms. Sum of reciprocal of n terms. N terms. Then prove that P squared R power n prove P squared R power n is equal to S power n. We have to prove P squared R power n is equal to S power n. So given information S is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. P is product of n terms. R is sum of reciprocal of n terms. Sum of reciprocal of n terms. We need to prove P squared R power n equal to S power n. Okay, right. Proof. Let us consider the n terms are A, let's A comma AR square and so on etc. AR power n minus 1. This is nth term. Or n terms of GP. N terms of or in GP. Okay. A comma AR square so on say AR. This is n terms. So first one given to S is sum. So S is called sum of n term. Sum of n term. So A plus AR square plus and so on etc. plus AR power n minus 1. This is called sum of the n term formula A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 by R minus 1. This is yes, equation number 1. Okay, right. Next second one, P is product of the terms. So P is equal to product. So A into AR into AR square, A into AR into AR square into and so on etc. into AR power n minus 1. Here A is n times multiple of n times. So A into A and so on etc. N times of A is A power n. A power n into R square into R cube and so on etc. R power n minus 1. So A power n into R power 1, R power 2, R power 3 and so on etc. is called R power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on etc. plus n minus 1. So A power n into R power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on etc. n minus 1. So sum of n natural number formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. You know, sum of n natural number formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is sum of n natural number formula. But here n minus 1 numbers. So n is replaced n minus 1. So R power n into n plus 1, that is n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 is n by 2. By 2. Sum of n natural number formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. But 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on is n minus 1. So sum of n minus 1. So n is replaced n minus 1. So n minus 1 of n minus 1 plus 1 is n divided by 2. Therefore, P is equal to A power n into R power n into n minus 1 by 2. R power n into n minus 1 by 2. This is the equation number 2. Equation number 2. And third one is reciprocal of sum of reciprocal of n terms. This R is equal to reciprocal of this 1 by A plus 1 by AR 1 by ar square plus and so on etc. plus 1 by ar power n minus 1. So sum of reciprocal of this given terms in EGB. So 1 by, so take LCM and both on n terms. So a r power n minus 1 is considered LCM value. Here a r power n minus 1. Here a r power n minus 1. But here a only. So a r power. So r power n minus multiply r power n minus 1 numerator and denominator plus r power n minus 2 plus r power n minus 3 and so on etc. plus r power 3 plus r power 2 plus r plus 1. Last term r power n minus 1 is cancelled, so remaining 1. Okay, right. So simplify this term. R capital R is equal to r power 1, r power 2, r power 3 and so on etc. r power n minus 1, r power n minus 2, r power n minus 1. Okay, right. So 1 plus r square plus r power 3 plus and so on etc. r power n minus 2 plus r power n minus 1 are in AP. Alright, AP. Sorry, GP. 1 plus r plus r square plus r cube and so on etc. r power n minus 1 are in GP. 1 plus r square plus and so on etc. plus r power n minus 1 divided by a r power n minus 1. Here numerator value are in GP. So sum of n terms in GP formula is a of r power n minus 1. Here a is 1. So 1 of r power n minus 1. R power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is sum of the numerator value. The numerator value 1 plus r square plus r power n is equal to 1 into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Into 1 divided by a r power n minus 1. A r power n minus 1. This is r value. R value. So it's equation number 3. Equation number 3. Right. We have to prove p square into r power n equal s power n. P square into r power n is equal to s power n. Let us consider the LHS is p square into r power n. P square into r power n. So take LHS. P square, p value is a power n into r power n into n minus 1 by 2. So square this term. So a power n the whole square is a power 2n. A power 2n into r power n into n minus 1 by 2 the whole square is r power n into n minus 1. 2 cancel. Into r power n. Here this is r. R power n is r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 the whole power n into a r power n minus 1 whole power. That is a power n into r power n minus 1 whole power n is n into n minus 1. N into a power n 1 divided by 1 by a power n into r power n into n minus 1. N into n minus 1. Okay, simplify this remaining LHS is equal to a power 2n. A power 2n. A power 2n is written as a power n whole square. A power n whole square into r power n into n minus 1. R power n into n minus 1 into r power n minus 1 whole power n divided by r minus 1 whole power n. R minus 1 whole power n into 1 by a power n into r power n into n minus 1. R power n into n minus 1. Okay, right. Here a power n the whole square numerator and denominator is a power n. So cancel this term. A power n and a power n the whole square. Cancel. And r power n in n minus 1, r power n in n minus 1. Cancel. Remaining r power n minus 1 whole power n. Here a power n. A power n the whole square cancel. Remaining a power n into r power n minus 1 the whole power n by r minus n whole power n. R minus n whole power n is equal to a power n r power n minus 1 whole power n r minus 1 whole power n is written as a of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 whole power n. Whole power n. This term is from equation number 1. From equation number 1. Equation number 1 is yes. Yes is a of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So substitute this yes power n. This value is yes from equation number 1. From equation number 1. S power n is called RHS. Therefore, LHS is p square into r power n is written as is equal to s power n. S power n is also RHS. Henceforth. So we need to do p square r power n is equal to s power n. So this term is proved. Okay, very simple sum. Next question number 15 and 16 are AP form. So already solved this question. So next question number 17. Question number 17. If A, B, C, D are in GP. A, B, C and D are in GP, geometric progression. So prove that a power n plus b power n. Prove that a power n plus b power n, comma b power n plus c power n, comma c power n plus d power n are in GP. Are in GP. Okay. Given information A, B, C and D are in GP. Given information. We need to prove A power n plus B power n, B power n plus C power n and C power n and D power n are in GP. Right. And given, listen, given A, B, C and D are in GP. Okay. So A, B, C are in GP. So geometric mean of A and C is B equal to B. Geometric mean of A and C is root of AC equal to B. This is formula, geometric mean formula. B equal to root of AC. B equal to root of AC. So B square is equal to AC. Square on both sides. So B square equal to AC. This is equation number 1. Listen, A, B, C and D are in GP. So A, B, C are GP. So A, B, C are in GP. Geometric mean of A and C is B. Geometric mean of A and C is B. So root of AC is equal to B. So B square equal to AC. Right, next second one. B, C and D. B, C and D are in GP. Then C is the geometric mean of BD. Geometric mean of B and D is equal to B. Sorry, C. So geometric mean of B and D formula is root of BD equal to C. So take square on both sides. So C square equal to BD. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Right. Next third one. A, B, C and D are in GP. A, B, C and D are in GP. So A by B we have b by a equal to d by c. Is also same. So that is t2 by t1, t3 by t2 is same. So simplify this. BC equal to a. BC equal to a. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. Equation 1 is b square equal to ac, and equation number 2 is b square c square equal to bd, and equation number 3 is bc equal to a. Right. We need to prove a power n plus b power n, a power n plus b power n, and b power n plus c power n, c power n plus d power r in GP. So this is GP. So r in GP, a power n plus b power n, comma b power n plus c power n, comma c power n plus d power n are in GP. So the geometric mean of a power n plus b power n and c power n plus d power n is equal to b power n plus c power n. b power n plus c power n. That is root of a power n plus b power n into c power n plus d power n is equal to b power n plus c power n. Take square on both sides. So b power n plus c power n the whole square is equal to a power n plus b power n into c power n plus d power n. So we have to prove this term. Prove this term. Okay? Right. Let us consider the LHS. Here LHS is b power n plus c power n the whole square. LHS is left hand side is b power n plus c power n the whole square. We have to prove this term. This term is true. Then the three terms are in GP. Okay, right. So take LHS b power n plus c power n the whole square. So a plus b whole square formula explain this. So a b power n the whole square. B power n the whole square, that is b square in the whole power n plus c power n the whole square is written as c square in the whole power n plus 2ab is 2 into b power n into c power n. A plus b whole square formula. B power n whole square is written as right. A plus b whole square formula explain this. B power n whole square is written as b power 2 whole power n. C power n whole square is written as c power 2 whole power n plus 2ab, that is 2 into b power n into c power n. Right. We know b square value and c square value. B square value from the equation number 1. From equation number 1, b square value is ac. So ac power n plus c square value. C square value from equation number 2. From equation number 2, so c square is bd. So bd whole power n plus 2 into b power n into c power n. Okay, right. So ac whole power n is written as a power n into c power n plus bd whole power n is b power n into d power n plus 2 into b power n c power n is written as b power n into c power n plus b power n into c power n. 2 into b power n c power n is written as b power n into c power n plus again b power n into c power n. Okay, fine. And a power n into c power n, here also c power n terms, so plus b power n into c power n plus remaining two terms, b power n into d power n plus b power n into c power n. B power n into c power n. Here both of c power n is common, so c power take c power n, and both terms for remaining a power n plus b power n, a power n plus b power n plus these two terms b power n is common, so take b power n, so remaining d power n plus c power n. Here a power n plus b power n, and here d power n plus c power n, and d power n plus c power n. Sorry, here b power n, d power n, and b power n, c power formula number 3. Formula number 3 is BC is equal to AD. This is formula equation number 3. So substitute this here. B power n C power n plus B power n C power 1 B power n C power n same. Here B power n, D power n first one, A power n C power n, B power n C power n, and second term B power n D power n, and second one B power n C power n is substitute this BC equal to AD. So B power n C power n is written as A power n into D power n. A power n into D power n. From equation number 3. Equation number 3 is BC equal to AD. So these two terms, D power n is common term. D power n is common term. So D power n of B power n plus A power n. That is A power n plus B power n. Okay. Here A power n plus B power n, A power n plus B power n is common. So take A power n plus B power n both terms. Remaining C power n plus D power n is equal to RHS. Equal to RHS. Sorry, A power n plus B power n plus C power n plus D power n. So therefore, B power n plus C power n the whole square is equal to A power n plus B power n into C power n plus D power n. Therefore, A power n plus B power n, comma B power n plus C power n, and C power n plus D power n are in GP, are in geometric progression. Okay, right. Okay, next question number 18. A and B are the roots of the equation. A and B are roots of the equation x squared minus 3x plus p equals 0. This particular equation. And C and D are roots of another quadratic equation x squared minus 12x plus q equal to 0. Plus q equal to 0. Where A, B, C, D form a GP, prove this. To prove Q is plus P. Q plus P is Q minus P is equal to 70 is to 15. 17 is to 15. The given information A and B are roots of x squared minus A plus B equal to 0. This is sum of root. This is x squared minus sum of root in x plus product of root. So sum of root, that is A plus B. Therefore A plus B roots are A and B. So sum of these roots A plus B equal to 3. This is sum of root. And product of the root is P. Product of the root is P. Right. Product of the root is P. So AB is equal to P. AB is equal to P. This is equation number 1. These are equation number 1. And C and D are roots of this quadratic equation. Here sum of the roots of C plus D is 12. And product of the root CD is Q. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. And another one information, A, B, C, D form geometric progression. A, B, C and D are geometric progression. So let us consider A is equal to x is first element, and B is equal to second element, that is x into R is common ratio, and third element C is equal to x into R squared, and fourth element D is called x into R cube. X into R cube. Right. And given information, so from B equation number 1, A plus B equal to 3. A plus B equal to 3. Here A plus B from equation number 1, substitute this equation number 1, which implies A is equal to x, so x plus B equal to xr plus xr is equal to 3. Take x of 1 plus r is equal to 3 and x is equal to, sorry, this is one answer, x of 1 plus r is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. From equation number 2 implies, equation number 2 implies c plus d equal to 12. Here c is xr square, so xr square plus d is xr cube equal to 12. So x is common, so x of r square plus r cube, x of r square plus r cube equal to 12. Equal to 12. Here r is also, r square is also common, so x into r square of 1 plus r is equal to 12. X into r square of 1 plus r is equal to 12. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4. From equation number 3 and 4, 4 divided by equation number 4 divided by equation number 3, which implies equation number 4 is xr square of 1 plus r equal to 12. And equation number 3 is x into 1 plus r equal to 3. So divided by 3. So x cancel, 1 plus r cancel. Remaining r square is equal to 12 by 3 is 4. So r square is 4, which implies r equal to plus or minus 2. R equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. Right. If r equal to 2, which implies here AB is equal to P. AB is equal to P. P value is A into B. P value is A into B. R equal to 2, then find the value of x. Equation number 3 implies x of 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then x of 3 equal to 3. Then x equal to 1. X equal to, if r equal to 2, then x equal to 1. If r equal to minus 2, which implies equation of 3 implies x into 1 minus 2 equal to 3. X into 1 minus 2 equal to 3. So x into minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. If r equal to 2, then x equal to 1. If r equal to minus 2, then x equal to minus 3. Okay? Right, case 1. R equal to 2 and x equal to 1. R equal to 2 and x equal to 1. And from equation number 1, P is equal to AB. P is equal to AB. A is x and B is second element xr. So x and xr is x squared r. So here x value is 1 and r value is 2. So is equal to 2. So P value is 2. And Q is equal to CD from equation number 2. C is third element, so xr square. And D is fourth element, so xr cube. Xr square and xr cube is x square r power 5. Here x is 1 and r is 2, so 2 power 5. Is equal to 2 power 5 is 32. So Q is 32. Q is 32. We have to prove Q plus P is to Q minus P is equal to 17 is to 15. So Q plus P is to Q minus P, that is Q divided by Q minus P is equal to this LHS. Q plus P is to Q minus P equal 17 is to 15 is we need to prove. So Q plus P divided by Q minus P is equal Q value is 32 plus P value is 2 divided by Q value is 32 minus P value is 2. 32 plus 2 divided by 32 minus 32 plus 2 divided by 32 minus is equal to 32 plus 3 is 34 and 32 minus 3 is 30. So 34 divided by 30 is 17 divided by 50. So q plus p by q minus p is equal to 17 by 50. But therefore q plus p is q minus p is equal to 17 is to 15. 17 is to 15. This is case 1. Case 1. So in case 2. Case 2. For r equal to minus 2 and x, which implies x equal to minus 3. R equal to minus 2, which implies x equal to minus 3. Same p equal to AB also x square y square. So p is equal to AB and AB is also is equal to x square R. X square R. So p is equal to x square value is minus 3 the whole square. Minus 3 the whole square. So minus 3 the whole square is 9 into R is minus 2 is equal to minus 18. So here p value is minus 18. Minus 18. And second q is equal to CD. CD is also C into D is x r square into x r square is also x square power r power. X square power into r power 5 is equal to x square. Here x is minus 3. So minus 3 the whole square is 9 into r power 5 is minus 2 power 5. Minus 2 power 5 is minus 32. So 9 into minus 32 is equal to minus and so 8 1 27 28. So minus 288. Minus 288. So q is equal to minus 288. Q is equal to minus 288. We need to prove q plus p is q minus p. So q plus p by q minus p is equal to q is minus 288 plus p is minus 18 divided by q minus p. Here q is minus 288 plus q is minus of minus 18 is the same. Simplify this. Minus 288 minus 18. 16. 9 plus 10 0. Remaining 3. 3 not 6. 3 not 6. Minus 3 not 6 divided by minus 288 plus 18. So minus 270. Minus 270. Minus minus cancel. So we will simplify this. 306 divided by 270. 306 divided by 270 is for 70 by 15. 70 by 15. Okay. So therefore q plus p divided by q minus p is equal to 70 by 15, which implies q plus p is q minus p is equal to 70 is 15. And score. Okay. Okay, 18th question and score. So same case 1 is also same 17 is to 50. Case 2 is also 17 is to 50. So hence score. Right, next the remaining questions 19, 20, 21 and 22 to 26 is deleted portion. 27 to 32. So we see next class. Okay, bye.